Hey, I'm Derek, and I'll take a moment to show you our brand new dash carrier by PhiBer. This is designed for commercial drone applications. The idea is to be quick, fast setups, you're moving very quickly, and very efficient management of drones. So the idea is you do everything from the top. You have your control tower, and all your flight decks are up at the top. Your drone management, packing up, moving from field to field, it's all done from the top. So I'll take a moment just to show you some of the unique things about this trailer. So this trailer is built around the same concept as our big dash trailers are, where there's so many different kits, and depending on people's needs, we have different solutions because everybody's a little bit different. So this is all the same. Just like this trailer for the ground rigs, this is designed this way for the drone. So to start with the trailer itself, this is a uniframed trailer, so to keep the weight down, as well as there's lots of different options with different tank sizes and different axle configurations. It's always going to be a 32-foot trailer, but you can put like a 1,000-gallon tank in here, or a 1,600-gallon tank, or a 2,300-gallon tank like what's shown here. And then we have different wheels and configurations that are available as well. So 16K axles or 12,000K axles. And these wheels are similar to what you would have on a van trailer, where they bolt on in different positions. So depending on the generator size and the weight, we can always get the wheels put in the right tongue weight for the truck. So that's one of the unique things about this trailer. You've got two 250-gallon hot tanks. They're cone tanks. They'll have agitation, and I'll talk about that upstairs. So you can make up, you know, if flying 200 acres or so, you can make that those batches up, and or smaller batches if you're changing fields lots. This can be equipped with a few different mixing systems. So of course we have our dash 1 system on here. So if you want to manually mix up some batches, measure out your chemicals, put your jugs in, or we have lots of chem transfer pumps if you're using totes. We have tote storage room. We have a stackable configuration of mini totes as well if you want to transfer from bulk before you go to the field. So there's lots of options there. And everything's run off pneumatic pumps. So it's very quiet, it's very easy. One of the things I should talk about is we're going to have two different generator options available from us. One's a 40 kilowatt and one's a 70. These are generators that are custom built for us. They have Perkins diesels with onboard air compressors. So these are engine mounted air compressors, just like a semi would have. And it will run everything pneumatically. So pneumatic pumps are quiet. This is a whisper quiet generator. And so, and it has a runtime of about 14 hours, 15 hours or longer. That's at full load. So you can go out for a day or two and not have to worry about your gen set, and it's good to go. So the other thing that this trailer has is speed leveling. So just like a camper or RV would level itself, the idea is with this thing is you pull up into your spot, the wings unfold, your trailer levels, your perch roof raises, and you're off to the races. Your staircase can fold down, and so it's really easy. So let me go up top and I'll show you what we're doing up there. So here we are on the flight deck. So how this system works is these sides fold up and over. So the idea is when you're in transport, you drag your drones to the middle, like right where I'm standing. There's holes in the deck, and you can quickly strap them down. So your drones are all secured along here, and then the decks would fold up over top, protecting them for transport. So there's lots of different options that will be available. Things like how to fuel your drones, or to refill the tanks. You've got, you know, a fuel nozzle, or if you want just a valve so you don't have as much foaming, depending on your situation, we can do different things there. There's a wash down available. This whole center trough here is actually, the deck is to the center here. There's actually a drain right down the middle. So if you want to wash your drones down, or guys with certain drones who charge in water, they can dump and change water real easily right on the floor here. And there's a drain to take it away. So this configuration here is for 4 drones. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 drones on the deck. You have you can configure this for 2 drones only, so you don't have these decks, or you could do 3 drones or 4 drones like what you see here. Battery management would be here. So all your batteries would be charging. You'd be swapping out your batteries, bringing them to your drones. Underneath the floor here, there's a large cavity where all the battery charger transformers can sit. And then you can just have your boxes up top here. The perch is kind of unique. So this roof goes up and down. So for transport, this comes down, the wings fold up. So it's a nice tight box for going from field to field. But inside the perch, it's all designed to just make it easy. So there's lots of USB charging, 110 power in here. There's going to be optional drawers so you can store your controllers and things like that. In transport, we have options coming to screen this in so that you can stay out of the bugs, or glass and air conditioning. If we do the air conditioning, then we're going to do air conditioned batteries as well. So there's some options coming that way as well. It's just made with like standard boat seating, so it's very simple, just off a standard fishing boat, pedestals, things like that. So yeah, this is the new drone, or the Dash Carrier by PhiBer. Thanks for checking it out.